Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are manufactured, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory videos.
These high-speed industrial slicers are calibrated for extreme precision, ensuring every potato slice is ultra-thin.
Slicing thickness is stable. We can proceed with the adjustment.
Confirmed. Increasing the feed rate now.
Each slice is fried at precise temperatures for perfect crispiness.
Every bag is inspected to ensure freshness and quality.
And that's how potato chips are manufactured, a pattern from farm to factory.